morning students. Now today class 7, today you have to read that when object is between the center of curvature and focus, then where is image formed. Now we read about the image formed by concave mirror here. Now this you see here that this is the concave mirror, this is the concave mirror, this is the point, that is pole. This is what is, this is C, center of curvature. Now this is what, principal axis. Now when object is between the C and F, that is here is object present. Then where is image formed? Then just opposite, that is image is formed beyond the C, beyond the center of curvature. Here what, that is, this is the F. Now one ray, incident ray, comes through this object. This is the incident ray, that is yellow line. This is the yellow line, this is the incident ray. And one ray comes from the focus. Now here, this is the incident ray, this is the incident ray. You see here, now both are the yellow line, you see here. And now reflected ray. Reflected ray, this is the reflected ray. And this is the reflected ray. And you see here that two laws are followed, that when incident ray comes, passes through the focus, then what happens? Then reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis, and when incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, then reflected ray passes through the focus. So now this is the parallel, this incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. Now it reflected ray passes through the focus, and when incident ray comes through this point, then reflected ray passes through parallel to the principal axis. Now so now image is formed in at this point. Now this is the point which is beyond the C, जो C के पीछे है ना. तो ये बनाएगा इस तरह से फिगर, ठीक है. ये हो गया ए बी, तो ये भी हो गया ए ऊपर बी नीचे, है ना. तो इस केस में तुम देख रहे हो यहाँ पे कि इमेज जो है वो लार्जर है ना. तो कहाँ बनेगा इमेज, कहाँ बनेगा? बियॉन्ड सी, ठीक है. और इमेज का नेचर क्या होगा? रियल होगा, क्योंकि एक्चुअल इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ पॉइंट पर बन रहा है, ठीक है ना. और कैसा होगा? इन्वर्टेड एंड enlarged. Understand? Okay.